So Rosealee ended up at Meca nightclub last night with Hakeem 1 day after CDA took away her kids. Not even 48 hours or 72 hours after, but 24 hours after, she ended up in a Meca nightclub with Hakeem. The same reason or the same person will make she end up lost her kids to the state or say the government. For all of the people them will name up themselves as the people up on the internet are rejoice, say the government took away Rosealee kids. How do you feel about this? Rosealee no showcase no remorse and uno showcase remorse. No real and genuine mother we care and love and miss them kids would have never end up in our nightclub. Depression and stress would have unalive them right now. Like, you never see one cat or one cat stress out when them take away them kitten? I saw a real and a genuine mother. It'll look and feel like how one cat feel when them lose them kitten. Rosealee no give what about those kids. Cause if she did really and truly care about the kids them, she would have no time for her turn on live. Worse, we end up in our nightclub. At this point, a man, a Rosealee light and her salvation. Who shall she fear? Man. Rosealee have to understand, say, her insecurities is very, very, very high. And because of that, Rosealee had searched for love and acceptance in the wrong person. Your kids them supposed to be a number one thing that is on your mind. But guess what? You can make people lure you for go and make a nightclub on the same internet where bring you up because you know you have one side with you and one side against you. And you know the fact say you end up in our nightclub, the people them are going to say, imagine you have your child in our state facility and like not even a week after, 2 weeks after, like 24 hours after, you end up in our nightclub. Some man love company internet and get emotional over stranger business. If the patient not care, why should the doctor care? And in this situation, the patient is Rosealee and the doctor are the people them who stress out themselves over Rosealee. I'm not even going to call name because to be honest, I love, I rate and respect a lot of people when I say I run with the bullshit. But guess what? We move on. Me no want hear nobody say Rosealee a good mother because Rosealee does not showcase the qualities of a good mother. A real, a genuine mother will love and miss her kids them would never end up in our nightclub 24 hours after the government took away her kids. She would have in her bed and cry herself to sleep. Right now, she would have in her bed and lose about 20 pounds already. Rose look like she all Rose interested in her Hakeem and forget her tops and roses. She not even care about Jakes. May I tell you, Hakeem are our number one priority right now. Rose a workless girl. Me don't care what no one say.